So hello guys, welcome back to Active Coder channel. In today's video, let's see how to detect a cycle in a linked list. Actually, we have to detect a, actually seeing in this picture, we have seen that 2 to 0 and 0 to -4, and -4 has again as its next address to the value in which the root having a data of 2. So we have to detect the loop if the given linked list has a loop. If the given linked list has a loop, then we have to return the value true. If the loop hasn't present in a linked list, then we have to return the value of false. So let's get into the basic logic of how to solve this type of situation. I mean this type of problem. Okay, let's get into the logical part. So considering this as the one kind of a linked list which is having a cycle in it. So a loop means it's forming a cycle, means it is having an value at the end is connected to some part of its root. I mean, not having null, in place of null we will have another address of the linked list data, another address of a linked list data of any node. So let's get into the logical part. See here, I will take as root q is equal to root and also p is equal to root. I will take two pointers, like I mean node pointers like p and q. So I will now traverse through the linked list of q moving to only next, I mean to the next node, and p moving twice of that of q. I mean twice means two times, like p is equal to some kind of uh, p is equal to root dot next, like some p moves twice of q. So after this the p will goes to here, then the q will goes to here, then after another q dot next, q will goes to here, uh, q will goes to here, and that p will goes to three times. So on they will so on they will move in this linked list until they become equal. At there is a there is an algorithm, I mean there is a proof of Floyd loop, Floyd cycle. You must refer through it, I mean you must refer through it. There's a theory, I mean there is a theory part or a implementation part which will shows that they will definitely meet in that cycle. I mean he will explains the reason why, it explains the reason why they actually they will meet. I mean why they will meet, why they will meet in a cycle. I mean one pointer is moving two times than that of the other, the first one, which moves of only one step. So let's get into the logical part. So this is the main logic. If they meet, we have to return the true value. If if they does not meet, I mean if anything, if they both, I mean p q and anything is equal to null, then we can surely say that it has no loop, like it doesn't have any loop. So uh, so we can directly get into it. Okay, let's get into the logical part now, I mean implementation part. So okay, I'll take list node list node p equal to list node p equal to red. Also similarly, list node q equal to red. So I will now traverse through the linked list such that p not equal to null, q not equal to null, q dot next not equal to null. So if any of these three is become null, I mean is null, then we can surely say that there is no linked list, I mean which is having a cycle. Because uh, if we get any value of next address to the null, then we can surely say that it doesn't have any cycle, because we do not find any null value in a cycled, I mean a linked list which is having a cycle. So let's get into the traversal part. P not equal to null and q not equal to null and p dot next not equal to null. So as I said, uh, q will move only one step, q is equal to q dot next. Okay, also uh, p moves twice of that of q, right? P moves twice of that of q. P is equal to p dot next dot next. Okay, now if I mean, now we will take an if loop, and if p is equal to q, return false. I mean, return true. Yeah, actually they meet. I mean, if p is equal to q, address of p is equal to q, then they are pointing towards the data having the same data. I mean, same data. They will point to the node which is having the same data, both of them. So we can clearly say that there exists a loop. You must refer before you are getting into this problem. You should know that of Floyd cycle, which shows this proof. I mean, why they will meet actually in a cycle loop which is moving two. I mean, two nodes and also one pointer moving only one node. They will actually definitely they will surely meet at one point. This statement is given from the Floyd cycle. You should learn that. Okay, return true. If it is if p is equal to q, then it will return true. Else, I mean, normally if it's not getting into while loop, then it should return false. Okay, this is my logic. Okay, then let's run this. You can clearly see that q is equal to q dot next. It is moving only one node, and p is moving two times. So on they will move like this. This will goes to here, and this will goes to here. I mean, not here. This will goes to here. I mean, after this, after from here it will goes to here. Okay. Uh, let's get into the implementation part. Okay, let's run that. Let's run this. I'm running the code. Let's see if it works. Yeah, it showed correctly for the first test case. Let's submit it so that we can get all test cases if it is not working in a certain test case. Okay, it run 0 milliseconds and faster than 100% of the Java online submissions in linked list. So we can say that this is the most accurate solution regarding that of all kind. I mean, those who have submitted in Java. So this is the most accurate one, but it's taking a memory of 4M 40 MB. Probably in this way also we have moved. I mean, we have completed well of 70.64% of Java online submissions till now. So this is the best way, I think. So this is for today, guys. This is a lead code series. I started recently, so I will upload more videos regarding this lead code problems and also some challenging questions. Uh, let's learn. Let's run all the sort of data structures and implementations with this. Okay, guys. Have a good day. If you like this video and the logic part and also content, please do subscribe and like my videos so that it's like some kind of some motivation. I mean, it's like some push up for me. It will be a good push up for me. Okay, guys. Thank you. Have a nice day. Goodbye. Peace.